Good morning children. This is our grammar video. Take your grammar book, open the book page number 10. First check your previous class homework. Okay. Previous class we are learned the tag question. Okay. See the statement is negative means the tag is positive. Statement is positive means the tag is negative. Okay. That homework hasn't, that is the negative, so answer is positive. Has he, did not, that is the negative, so the answer is positive. Did he, will he, shall we, should not he. Next, tick the right option. Third one, see the did not negative, the answer is positive tag. Did she, haven't you, should not you. See the next types of sentences. I will do that, full stop, that is the declarative. Where did you buy it, interrogative, put the question mark, put it there, that is the imperative, in full stop only. What a beautiful painting, exclamation mark, that is the exclamatory sentence. Now we are going to learn about articles. There are two types of articles, indefinitive articles, definitive articles. A and an indefinitive article. The is the definitive article. We use a with singular nouns which begin with consonant sound. Okay, for example, cup, consonant letter. See there, C is the consonant. So, a cup. Okay, there are 21 consonant. Next one, an. How do you use? We use an with singular noun. Okay, a also singular noun, an also singular noun, which begin with vowel sound. Do you know the vowels letter, children? Yes, a, e, I, o, u, that is the vowels letter. Okay, see there one example, onion. Beginning the noun, vowels letter, so an. Okay, see the book, page number 12. Fill in the blanks with, once again, how to use the. The article the is used when you mention, refer someone and something again and again. We also use the refer to specific noun, either nouns or plural. Okay, the வந்து someone or something மறுபடியும் அதை ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா the யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay, the article the is used for name of ocean, river, group of island, canal, music, designation. Okay, next, countries, USA, UK, superlative, ordinal numbers. Next, decades, group of people, adjectives, we use the. Okay, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Last night we had been to dash party. The food was very bad. See that party, that is the singular, so we use the a. Food was very bad, so that is the some one again. Okay, so the second one, we saw dash movie last Sunday. It was dash worst movie we had seen. That is also singular, so we saw a movie last Sunday. It was the worst movie. Third one, Mrs. Annie in dash English teacher. See there, vowels letters, beginning the vowels letter, so and she is dash best teacher. Someone is again, so the. Fourth one, I turned on dash radio to listen to dash news. That is the news, that is the radio, so the. Particular, thing. Okay, so this is dash new mall in this town. Dash mall has dash shopping section, dash movie theater and dash ice cream parlor. This is a new mall. ஒரே ஒரு new mall தான் இருக்கும். So that is the singular. So we use the a. That is the sum one is continue. So the mall has a shopping section. மாலில் வந்து ஷாப்பிங் செக்ஷன் ஒன்று தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ சிங்குலராக மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஏ. மூவி தேட்டர் ஆல்சோ ஏ சிங்குலர். ஸோ ஏ. தட் இஸ் தர் ஐஸ்கிரீம். தட் இஸ் த end of the beginning of the waltz letter. So an. Sixth one, we bought dash second hand car last week. Unfortunately dash car broke down after 2 days. A. ஒரு கார் தான் இன்னது செகண்ட் ஹேண்டில் அவங்களால வாங்க முடியும். ஓகே, அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி த கார். செகண்ட் ஒன், the dash Wright brothers invented the first aeroplane. Okay, here mention the particular person, so we use the first, that is the ordinal number. Okay, so we use the. Okay, second also ordinal number, here mention the particular ஏதாவது ஒரு சிங்குலரில் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ வி யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், இங்கே ஏ யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், இங்கே வந்து ஆர்டினல் நம்பர். So we use the. Okay. Eighth one, my grandfather had dash heart attack. Dash heart attack has made him very weak. Grandfather, that is the singular. Okay, singular noun. So a repeater வந்திருக்கு, அதனால் the. Ninth one, I went on dash luxury cruise to dash exotic location, but dash bad weather ruined the dash enter trip. I went on a. Okay, singular. So a. See that is the waltz letter begin. So an. Weather. Okay, so we use the enter trip the. Tenth one, I sent him dash email. Waltz letter began. So an. But dash mail did not reach him. I wonder if dash address was wrong. Repeat someone. So the mail, the address was wrong. See that, choose the right article. The train is late by dash hour today. Here also what letter mothers? That is the consonant. H is the consonant letter began, but the sound is waltz sound. Okay, hour. Okay, H is the silent, hour, that is the waltz sound. So here write the an. Second one, he is dash MBA from Osmania University. Okay, M has two sound, A and M. Okay, how many alphabets ma? 26 alphabet letters, but that sound is 44 sound. So M க்கு வந்து 2 sound, A and M. Okay, so beginningல A இருக்கனால இங்க நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்றோம்னா an யூஸ் பண்றோம். ஓகேவா? Third one, this is dash unique piece of jewelry. Unique means only one kind of. Okay, so A. All, sorry ma, unique. Okay, that is the union. The sound is consonant sound, so we use the A, but letter is the waltz letter, that sound is consonant sound, so we use the A. Fourth one, all dash pages of this book are turned. Here mention the particular book page, so the. Fifth one, he plays dash piano and dash guitar, that is the musical instrument, so the. Sixth one, whenever I go swimming I get dash earache and dash headache. See that here waltz letter began, so we use the an. Headache, that is the consonant, so A. The station is on dash right, not on, dash left. Here use the direction, so we use the. Every winter birds migrate to dash north. In spring they fly to dash south again. Here also direction, so the and the. Ninth one, Mother Teresa served dash poor and dash needy. ஓகே, மதர் தெரசா வந்து இல்லாதவங்களுக்கும் நிறைய ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ த 10th one, dash plane leaves dash airport at 5:30 p.m. Plane is the particular thing, so the airport, so the airport at 5:30 p.m. Okay, I hope all are understood. Thank you.